That's the improvised kind of thing. I mean, blogger like us is we need to be creative, and this is actually the Chibori intersection. That's a bus stop, by the way, and then we're going uphill here. Yeah, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Abirisum Tubuka is here again on the road. Today is I don't know. It's the 18th of March 2026. Same route, different weather. It's my everyday routine here in Honiara, Solomon Islands, and probably one of the last few days staying here in your beautiful country, my One Talks people. And today we're driving to the office. We are here at the Skyline Raids, somewhere at Boston or Chivori they call it. There's a bus stop at the front, and of course the onboard camera, the GoPro 13 Black, the forest green edition, which is very good and very nice, you know. So this is how it's look like in here, and I will show you how did I improvise my camera, the onboard camera right now. So let's go. So there you go. That's the improvised kind of thing. I mean, blogger like us is we need to be creative, and this is actually the Chibori intersection. That's a bus stop, by the way, and then we're going uphill here. So guys, enjoy the ride. We're going towards Medana Avenue. Like I said, this is one of the probably one of the last videos driving here in Solomon Islands before leaving this beautiful country. I love the place. Even if you can see this one, this is something like province in the Philippines or kampong in Malaysia. I mean, the American flag's not there up there in the Solomon Islands. We featured that in some of our video, and here we go. This is going uphill. We are at the top of the Skyline Ridge, so we're going down to the church area. This is the cathedral. The cathedral. It was raining the whole morning when I have my sahur, actually at 4 o'clock. It's very heavy. And if you notice some of our video, the last, I mean, for the last past year, 1 year ago, you can see this kind of road. Well, they, like I said, they actually improve a little bit, and but it's just a face, I can say a facelift or a makeup of the road during the forum. There is a forum visit by other countries. I think late last year, and then they did it, and they clean up all of this workshop on the edge of the road, and then they come back again. So we are here going downhill. You know, left and right you can see betel nut stores. These are all the some of the cost of living here in Solomon Islands, especially here in Honiara. I don't know, I'm just talking about Honiara in general, but I mean it's not in the Solomon Islands, the other islands, because I heard that, let's say Munda, is that Munda or what, there was no betel nut stores on the road. So I saw some videos that it's very clean. Not like here, maybe because of this is the city or whatever. And yep, and see those you know, walking on the streets every day. The mode of transport is still not that so, you know, far from the other countries, like the other places. So walking, especially on these downhills and rainy seasons, is very difficult for them. Going to work, kids going to school. You can see that drainage there is not that properly maintained. As a designer myself, I always complain, or I always you know, touch all of those kinds of drainage system here in Honiara, because it's terrible, to be honest. Not properly designed, I can say. And those rubbish, especially plastic bottles, are everywhere after the rain. So I think I've featured some of those videos too. Check it out, and hopefully that the government, or the, well, that is the Honiara City Council on my left now. I don't know whether they no, they will not be listening. On the right hand side is the cathedral, the church. This is the famous MID roundabout. We call it MID roundabout. I don't know whether there's another name for it, or maybe City Council roundabout, or blah blah blah. So this is it now. Here we go again. This is the famous Mendana Avenue, whereby all of these cars and everyone is going to the central market. So that's why, I mean, coming from the provinces, or no, the villages, coming here to, I mean, to you know, to sell their produce. The central markets on the right hand side. So yeah, this is how it's look like in here again. This is a terrible road. And by the way, today is 17th of March, not 18th. I'm just so advanced, I guess. Yeah, it's a 17. So you can see. Oh, they wanting to cross. I'm sorry about that. I should have given them. You see, that is really bad. We cannot move. I mean, I'm driving like 5 kilometers per hour now. Yeah, as you can see, no bus. This is actually the bus stop, pick up and drop off. Literally the bus is not that bus that we can see in other places. All those letter B. Okay, I will tell you something. These cars are, they have the plate numbers here, which I've learned during my stay here in Solomon Islands. All right, if you can see those T, that means taxi. There's no color code. I mean, like in other places they have the yellow taxi, blue taxi, or whatever, but in here I think they only registered it as a taxi, so they can use the plate number as T, you know. And the next one is the M. You can see, I don't know whether you can see that lorry, the MD 5746 or something like that. That is a private car. Okay, that is a private car. And the other one is a G, and it is a government car. Okay, and the other one that I've noticed is X. X meaning they are a project vehicle. There is a project vehicle funded by the government or funded by another, like ADBs or World Bank, and at the end of the project they will give it back to the government when it turns to be G. So that's what I've learned here so far. So this is how it's look like driving here while we're going to the office today. 17th of March, by the way, not 18. My mistake. It seems like I wanted to go back so fast, so quick at the end of the month. So I'm very thankful for all of you guys who's watching my video and some other platform. I cannot mention it here. Try it to, you know, search it with the same handle, and we have all fun, you know. We are driving 5 to 8 kilometers per hour on this beautiful road of Mendana Avenue. And by the way, I say it again, I designed this road from Town Ground Roundabout to that MID. So at the end of the day, this is my legacy in here. Whoever watching, when this is finished by probably the 4th quarter of this year, this is Habirism Tubuka's design, okay? And I know, and every single pits or the stormwater pits that you have here, they already constructed for this stretch. Okay, remember the name, Habirism Tubuka, designed the Mendana Avenue here in Honiara, Solomon Islands. And I'm not kidding. That's the reality where I am here. There's also a video that we featured the detection company or whoever, the UXO, at this stretch in here somewhere at the Solomon Motors petrol stations. I did something in here yesterday on my other platform because of this, and I've got a lot of views. Contractor is still, well, still like that. This is how it's looked like driving here in Honiara, Solomon Islands. Remember, 17th of March 2026, right? And we are still crawling like a snail. Oh, but it's a very good memory here in Honiara, to be honest. I love the country, and hopefully that these road projects will improve the living of the locals. A very good, I've met a lot of good people here, from the market, central market, to the roadside vendors. You watch those, I love them. The fish, you know, the fish vendors, vegetable vendors, you're all awesome. Thank you very much, guys. And whoever, there's another friend that I had, I make friend with his little boy, and now I seldom see him. And I know they're living in Gela. They move out from the Gwale, going to Gela, and yeah, I hope to see him before I leave this beautiful country. General Post Office on the left hand side. So this is one of the part of the design that I have. I started into that roundabout. I really wanted to name that as Habirism Tubuka roundabout, but I need to apply for a waiver from the government. This is the one. That's the town ground roundabout when I name it, when I design for it. And this is for the Lenga Kiki again. Lenga and Kiki.